Welcome back. This is the ordering portion to help smooth things out. If possible, should you need components for the 2500 series or others, if you still have your brochure or you took a picture, the specific part numbers, remember, are located here on the inside, and so you can order those or speak with confidence as to which component you know you actually need on this particular valve. The typical wear components that we have a kit number KT2352. Within that kit, what typically wears the nylon disc, not so much, but those become lost from time to time. The replacement spring. The seal disc is the one that wears the most, but you also get another O-ring to seal off on the inside of the solenoid because they do break down over time. So that's in the standard TIR kit number 2352. When you're doing, if you happen to need a new solenoid, just a word of update from TIR is that for the last 15 years or more, TIR had this can that was actually stamped, and it's one piece of metal. If you look carefully, there's a large radius around that corner, versus since 2018, 2019, the changeover was to a square corner with a stainless steel bottom. The stainless steel bottom has helped prevent some of the surface rusting that we've had happen over the years. So we're getting better longevity out of that as well. But from an installation standpoint, if you have the large radius, this decorative ring has a plastic lip around the inside corner. On the large radius, that was used to help make sure that it remained flat during assembly to the valve base. And you can see where the plastic is basically flat with the metal here, so the O-ring, as dictated by the rusting lines around it, you can see where it's sealed. If you try and put this same ring on the square corner, you see where it won't fit all the way through and it holds it up. So if that's the case, you simply disregard or set aside the plastic decorative ring, and you can assemble this directly down on top of the valve base, and it will sit without rocking, and you can put the screws in and make sure that it seals to the base. And there's no harm or issue with assembling it that way. Now, another benefit to the TIR 2500 series is if you happen to have a spade or a regular standard solenoid like this, you can upgrade it to the TIR E-chip solenoid, and you don't have to replace anything. We actually sell an adapter harness whereby your harness would have two spade connectors like this that would connect down on top of your spade terminals. The connectors here will actually plug into your harness. You'll get the weather pack connector here, and that will plug into your TIR E-chip, and you now have upgraded your system to the E-chip for a minimal amount of dollars. It doesn't require a complete changeover. The caution here is to make sure that when you plug these in, that you have the positive as noted on the front side of the valve and the negative as noted on the front side of the valve to correspond with the wire colors of the adapter going back to your harness where your positive and negatives are. The chip will only function if you have positive coming in on the positive lead and the ground on the ground lead. So that concludes the basic ordering portion, other than all components are available at sprayervalves.com, or you can give us a call at 254-982-4236. Thank you.
Texas Industrial Remcor, quality valves and controls today and tomorrow.